How to set up mail on iPhone. First, enter the settings. Select the mail option from the menu. Tap on accounts. Then click on add account. Since you want to add a corporate email, select the other option. Then tap on add mail account. Now enter your name, we need to type our email and password. If you don't know your email and password, you can access them from Atak Domain's control panel. We have two options here. I will choose POP and I recommend POP for you too. The difference between IMAP and POP is that POP stores email on your device, while IMAP stores them on our servers. If you use IMAP, your email storage can quickly fill up and you might need to upgrade your package. In short, POP is more budget friendly. We enter our server information for POP. As I mentioned, these details are in the description. For hostname, you need to enter mail.maillb.com. For the username, you just enter your email address. And lastly, enter your password. For outgoing mails, you can type the same with incoming mails. Save the settings. This part might take a bit, but don't worry. Our account is now added. You can access your account from the mail section and you can send or receive emails. Thank you for choosing us. Stay safe and take care.